Okay, so put the date. Hurry up, put the date. Cushion. Puts the date. Written beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when the chapter begins, what I said, that the narrator, she reaches to the house of that woman, okay, who has taken all their antiques, right? So I'll just begin with it. Do you still know me? I asked. Who is I here? Who is I? I कौन है?
The narrator.
The narrator, the
The
author.
narrator.
The woman looked at me searchingly. She had opened the door a chink. A chink means a little bit. I came closer and I stood on the step. No, I don't know you. I'm Mrs. S's daughter. Now see, she knocks at the door is open, and she asks the woman, do you still know me? The woman, she looked at her, searching him from top to down. She looked at her. She opened the door a little bit, and when she opened the door a little bit, the writer, she came closer and the steps were there. So she stood on the step. No, I don't know you. A very blunt reply it was given by who? The woman. Okay, बिल्कुल साफ कह देती है, I do not know you. I am Mrs. S's daughter. मैं Mrs. S की daughter हूँ, she says, the narrator. She held her hand on the door as though she wanted to prevent it opening any further. Now what happens? As soon as the author gives her introduction, कि I am the daughter of Mrs. S, she holds the door tightly. इतना tight पकड़ लेती है कि कहीं दरवाजा खुल ना जाए. Okay, she wanted to prevent the door, stop the door from opening. Her face gave absolute no sign of recognition. और face पर ऐसा expressions थे कि really she is not recognizing the author. She kept staring at me in silence, okay, and continuously, she did not say anything, but he bola, no, I don't know you, and she kept on staring. The narrator. Perhaps I was mistaken. I thought perhaps it isn't her. I had seen her only once, fleetingly, and that was years ago. It was most probable that I had rung the wrong bell. Okay. Now perhaps उसको लगता है कि शायद, okay, maybe the narrator thinks that she was mistaken because the woman, she refused to recognize her, and maybe she was not the same woman, maybe she was not Mrs. Darling, maybe she might have knocked on the wrong door. Okay, शायद गलत दरवाजे पर knocking कर ली है उसने, or fleetingly मतलब for a very short while उसने, many years back the author had seen Mrs. Darling, and what happens, and उसको कई ये possibilities लगती हैं कि maybe she's wrong, she might have what knocked, or she might have rung the wrong doorbell and so on. So she was, as she was standing, the woman, now she leaves the door, and the door, it opens and she steps to the side, or side में खड़ी हो जाती है. She was wearing my mother's green knitted cardigan, and as soon as the door opens, she stands there in front of the narrator. The author, she notices that the woman was wearing the green knitted cardigan that belonged to her mother. The wooden buttons were rather pale from washing. How did she recognize? Because the wooden buttons that the cardigan was having, they had become faded, okay? Color fade ho chuka tha unka from washing. She saw that I was looking at the cardigan and half hid herself again behind the door, but I knew now that I was right. और जैसे ही उस woman ने देखा, Mrs. Darling ने देखा कि narrator was looking at the cardigan, okay, समझ गई कि she had recognized it कि the cardigan belonged to her mother, and I am the same woman, Mrs. Darling, who was her mother's friend and who had taken all the antiques. तो इतनी guilty conscious थी that again she hides herself behind the door. लेकिन now I knew मतलब narrator confident थी that narrator was right and she was the same Mrs. Darling, okay, who had taken away all the antiques. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Well, you knew my mother, I asked. Now, narrator, she became somewhat confident, okay? So, Kathy, of course, you knew my mother. Have you come back? Said the woman. I thought that no one had come back. Now, she cannot refuse, okay? Kathy, अच्छा, you have come back, okay? मुझे तो लगा nobody would ever come back, है ना? अब कोई नहीं आएगा. Only me, the author says, कि only I am, okay, there, okay? My mother, she passed away. Okay, she is no more, only I am there. A door opened and closed in the passage behind her. A musty smell emerged. I regret I cannot do anything for you. I have come here especially on the train. I wanted to talk to you for a moment. Okay, and at the similar time, what happens when the woman she says that, have you come back? And she says that she thought that nobody would ever come back, and all were dead in the war. And then the door opens and it closes in the passage behind her. A very musty is a very stale smell. Okay, it came out, and then the woman she says, I regret I cannot do anything for you. Okay, okay, I'm sorry, I cannot do. See, such a blunt reply given by Mrs. Darling, who had taken away all the antiques of the house. And being as a friend, she assured the narrator's mother that she would keep them safely in the house and would return it once the war it was over. Okay. लेकिन अब बिल्कुल ब्लंट रिप्लाई कि आई एम सॉरी आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग फॉर यू. तो नरेटर कहती है आई हैव कम हियर स्पेशली ऑन द ट्रेन. ओके, भाई ट्रेन से मैं सिर्फ आपके लिए आई हूँ. आई वांटेड टू टॉक टू यू फॉर अ मोमेंट. ओके, एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू टॉक टू यू फॉर some time. It is not convenient for me now, said the woman. I can see you another time. Now, a woman, she says that it's not possible for me to talk to you right now, okay? And I'm going to see you, I'll meet you some other time. She nodded and cautiously closed the door as though no one inside the house should be disturbed, okay? She nodded her head और बड़े cautiously, बड़ी सावधानी से she closed the door, है ना? So that nobody in the house should be disturbed, okay? बिल्कुल blunt refusal दे दिया. I stood where I was on the step. The curtain in front of the bay window moved. Someone stared at me and would then have asked what I wanted. Oh, nothing, the woman have said. It was nothing. Okay. Now, this narrator, author, she was still standing there on the step and she saw a curtain moved there on the window and some neighbor, somebody was staring at her from inside the house, and she thought that it was nothing, as the woman might have told her, okay, ki there's no issue, nothing is there. I looked at the nameplate again. Darling, it said in black letters on white enamel, and on the damp a bit higher the number. Okay, 46. अब author कहती है कि again I looked at the number plate, okay, name plate, sorry, and it was written darling, okay, in black letters, white enamel से लिखा हुआ था, और jam पर a bit higher the number 46, it was written. Okay, enamel क्या होता है? It is a transparent substance होता है, ठीक है? और jam क्या होता है? Side post होती है ना window की या doorway की, side post on the top. So on it, the address was there, flat number 46, Marconi Street, that was told by her mother. So flat number 46 was there and the nameplate was there of Darlings. Okay. As I walked slowly back to the station, I thought about my mother who had given me the address years ago. Now she was returning back. Why? Because beta, that woman, she refused to talk to her also. Okay, and she did not welcome her in her house. वो तो बात अलग थी, लेकिन blunt refusal दे दिया कि अभी it is not convenient for her to talk, and asked her to ask the narrator to come some other time. समझ में आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है? Everybody is not. अच्छा ठीक है. Now what happens? The narrator, now she was returning back and she has to catch the train again and go to her house. So while returning, वो कहती है, I thought about my mother who had given me the address years ago. Okay, she thinks about the mother जिन्होंने कई सालों पहले एड्रेस दिया था. It had been in the first half of the war. The war was going on, और first half the war का था. वो कहती है, I was home for a few days and it struck me immediately that something or other about the rooms had changed. Okay, अब वो कहती है, the war was going on, first half phase जो था war का, it was over, और in between she had come home and जब वो घर पर आई तो she noticed some change was there. Okay, अब उसने क्या नोटिस करा? I missed various things. My mother was surprised I should have noticed so quickly. अब उसने देखा कि many things were missing from her house. Or even mother, you know, she was surprised, amazed to see that the daughter had noticed the missing things. और वो भी इतनी fast, इतनी quickly. Then she told me, अब जब डॉटर ने, ऑथर ने अपनी मदर से पूछा कि where are those missing things, तो वो कहती है, then she told me, मतलब her mother, she told her about Mrs. Darling. I had never heard of her, but apparently she was an old acquaintance of my mother, whom she hadn't seen for years. अब वो कहती है, मैंने वैसे कभी नाम नहीं सुना था मिसेस डॉलिंग का, लेकिन now it was apparently very clear it was कि that woman, she was an old acquaintance, is a known person of my mother, whom my mother did not met for years. है ना, कोई पुरानी जान पहचान वाली थी जिनसे माँ कई सालों से नहीं मिली थी. तो मैं समझ गई. One day she had suddenly turned up and renewed the contact. Since then she had come regularly. Okay. और फिर कहती है कि वन डे इट सो हैपेंड, मदर बताती है कि शी suddenly came to my house, to our house, and then the contact, you know, it was renewed, and then since then they had been in regular contact. समझ गए बेटा? She was back at home when she was returning to the station to catch the train again. Then she picturized, she just remembers, recalls all the things कि ये एड्रेस माँ ने मुझे कई सालों पहले बताया था. और वो कहती हैं कि फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द वॉर था. आई वॉज होम फॉर, नरेटर वॉज होम फॉर फ्यू डेज दैट शी हैड बीन वर्किंग आउट. और सडनली उसने घर देखा तो उसको कुछ स्ट्राइक होता है कि थिंग्स आर मिसिंग. ओके, जब मदर को बताती है तो मदर को बड़ा आश्चर्य होता है कि इतनी क्विकली शी हैड नोटिस्ड द मिसिंग थिंग. देन मदर बताती है कि वन ऑफ माय ओल्ड अक्वेंटेंस है ना, विद हुम शी डिड नॉट हैव एनी कांटेक्ट फॉर इयर्स, लेकिन वन डे दैट वुमन शी सडनली टर्न्ड. ओके, she suddenly visited Mrs. S house, and since then the contact had been renewed. वापस से रेगुलर हो गया उन दोनों का कांटेक्ट. ठीक है, तब मिसेस डॉलिंग के बारे में बताया. Every time she leaves here, she takes something home with her. Now सुनना, said my mother. She took all the table silver in one go, and then the antique plates that hung there. She had trouble lugging those large vases, and I'm worried she got a crack in her back from the crockery. My mother shook her head pityingly. Now what did mother say to the narrator? कहती है, every time she leaves here, she takes something home with her. Every time Mrs. Darling visited the house, she used to take something or the other thing with her. कुछ ना कुछ लेकर जाती थी. She took all the table silver in one go got it, in one visit, one round. Okay, table silver you got it, fork, knives, spoons, है ना, all the cutlery बोले silver की. एक बार में लेकर चली गई. And then the antique plates that were hanging there, mother बताती है कि the antique plates that were hanging there on the wall, she had taken it. फिर वो बड़े बड़े large vases, बड़े बड़े flower pots, you know, she had lot of problem in okay lugging them, means carrying a very heavy object, you know. तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुई वो लार्ज वेसेस ले जाने में. बट यू नो शी माइट हैव आल्सो गॉट अ क्रेक होता है, क्रैम्प आ गया होगा उनके बैक में फ्रॉम द क्रॉकरी जो वो हमारे यहाँ से लेकर गई. My mother shook her head pityingly, और बहुत pityingly, you know, as if really she's feeling sorry, है ना, for Mrs. Darling who used to take away all the antiques. कहते हैं I would never have dared ask her. She suggested it to me herself. कहते हैं I did not dare to ask her. I did not dare, you know. I was not having the guts to tell her to take away all the antiques. Okay? मेरे अंदर इतने गट्स नहीं थे कि मैं उसको बोलूं कि मेरे घर का सामान लेकर जाओ. इंस्टेड ये सजेशन मिसेस डॉलिंग ने दिया था. शी इवन इंसिस्टेड, और काफी मुझे फोर्स भी करा. क्यों? देखो रीजन उन्होंने क्या दिया मिसेस डॉलिंग ने. शी वांटेड टू सेव ऑल माय नाइस थिंग्स. इफ वी हैव टू लीव हियर वी शैल लूज एवरीथिंग, शी सेज. ओके, अब ये लोग ज्यूस थे, हो सकता है नाजीज जो थे इनको वो शहर छुड़वा देते. तो मिसेस डॉलिंग ओके शायद नाजी थी, तो उन्होंने कहा कि यदि तुम ज्यूस को यहाँ से छोड़ना भी पड़ेगा प्लेस, तो कम से कम you will move on to some other place, but till then the things will be safe for me, safe with me. Okay, I'm going to keep all the antiques safely, and once everything is settled there will be peace, then you people could return and take the things back. Okay, और वो कहती हैं कि वो चाहती थी, मदर को समझाती है डॉटर को, मेरी फ्रेंड मिसेस डॉलिंग चाहती है कि वो सेव करना चाहती है हर चीज, हमें कभी भी यहाँ से जगह छोड़कर जानी पड़ सकती है यदि, है ना, तो हम सब लूज करेंगे तो जब तक उनके पास सेफ रहेंगे. Have you agreed with her that she should keep everything? अब डॉटर को ये बात पसंद नहीं आई और कहती हैं कि did you agree with her, okay, that she is going to keep everything safe? Ah, if that is necessary, my mother cried, it would simply be an insult to talk like that. Sorry. And think about the risk she's running each time she goes out of a door with a full suitcase or bag. Now see, the author, she asks her mother if she really wanted her to take all the things, how did she got agree? Okay, how did she allow her to take all the antiques with her? तो मदर को लगा कि that is an insult, you know, और उसकी फ्रेंड की इंसल्ट है, तो मदर जो है थोड़ा जोर से बोलती हैं और कहती हैं कि that would have been an insult to her, okay, to ask her not to take. Okay, उनकी इंसल्ट होती यदि मैं रिफ्यूज कर देती कि yes don't take away all the antiques. Okay, और फिर मदर अपनी फ्रेंड की साइड लेती हैं और कहती हैं कि देखो कितना रिस्क, यू नो, Mrs. Darling ने उठाया. Every time when she came here, she used to carry suitcases or bags full of all these antiques. तो उस समय during the war, it was a big risk that she carried. समझ गए? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My mother seemed to notice that I
Yes.
was not entirely convinced. She looked at me reprovingly, and after that we spoke no more about it. Okay, reprovingly मतलब जैसे critically. Okay, अब मदर समझ गई कि डॉटर जो है उनके जवाब से अश्योर्ड नहीं थी, कन्विंस नहीं थी, है ना, थोड़ा सा क्रिटिकल होके डॉटर की तरफ देखा भी, बट उसके बाद none of them, means both of them, did not speak on this topic. Meanwhile, I had arrived at the station without having paid much attention to the things on the way. Meanwhile, thinking all these things, okay, about the mother, now she again returns to the present और कहती है कि I was thinking about all these things, और ये सोचते सोचते she reaches the railway station. I was walking in familiar places again for the first time since the war. Okay, since the war, वो कहती है I was walking in the familiar, मतलब known places. Okay, why those places were known to her? Because she had been living there. right? Once you live at a particular place for many years and then you leave it and then you come back again, तो वो चीजें क्या हो जाती है बेटा आपके लिए familiar, जानी पहचानी हो जाती है. तो similarly those places were familiar to the narrator. Okay, but I did not want to go further than was necessary. But you know, she did not want to see those familiar places than was necessary. She just went up to the station. आगे वो बढ़ना नहीं चाहती थी. I didn't want to upset myself with the sight of streets and houses. Why? She did not want to proceed further. Okay, ये सारी familiar places को देखने की और इच्छा क्यों नहीं थी? Why? She says that she didn't want to upset herself on seeing the streets and houses. Why? Because they were full of memories from a precious time. Why? Because these streets and houses would remind her of the past, of the beautiful time, or of the time that she had spent with her mother. ठीक है, mother, she was no more, she died in the war. यदि वो और आगे जाके streets और houses देखेगी तो she would be filled with pain. So narrator was not interested to proceed to move further to look all those familiar streets and houses. In the train back, I saw Mrs. Darling in front of me again as I had the first time I met her. अब कहती है ट्रेन में वापस से मैंने पिक्चराइज करा, ओके, विजुअल इमेज, वापस मिसेस जॉलिंग को देखा. देखा मतलब इन नॉट इन रियलिटी, ओके, in her imagination. Now she again recalls the past, okay, recalls the time when she met Mrs. Darling for the first time. तो कहती है मुझे वापस मिसेस जॉलिंग याद आई when I met her for the first time. It was the morning after the day my mother had told me about her. I had got up late and coming downstairs, I saw my mother about to see someone out, a woman with a broad back. तो वो कहती है कि मॉर्निंग टाइम था और it was the next day, okay, a day before mother had told about Mrs. Darling. The next day she says that she got up late and she was coming downstairs from her room. So she sees that the mother, she was about to see someone out, है ना, मतलब किसी को बाहर छोड़ने गई थी. And कौन थी? She was a woman जिसको छोड़ने गई थी. It was a woman with a broad back. अब जैसे ही mother देखती है the daughter, she had come down. So mother introduces the daughter to Mrs. Darling और उसको कहती है Mrs. Darling को, there is my daughter, she beckoned to me. Beckon क्या होता है? Signal, इशारा करना, gesture करना, like I am doing ना, like this. The woman nodded and picked up the suitcase under the coat rack. Okay, woman nod kara and she just picked up the suitcase. Now this time also she was carrying a big suitcase that was hidden under the coat rack. She wore a brown coat, पहना हुआ था, shapeless hat पहना हुआ था Mrs. Darling ने. Does she live far away? I asked, seeing the difficulty she had going out of the house with the heavy case. अब daughter को लगा, narrator को लगा कि it is very difficult for Mrs. Darling to carry this heavy suitcase. तो उन्होंने नरेटर ने पूछ ही लिया मदर से कि does she live far away? Okay, क्या ये बहुत दूर रहती है क्या? Why? Because it would be difficult to carry this suitcase if she was living far away. तो मदर कहती है no. Okay, ये रहती है. उस समय मदर ने एड्रेस बताया था कि she lives at Marconi Street number 46. Remember it. और उस समय when she, जब narrator ने पूछा when she asked does she live far away? Okay, because it was a great difficulty for Mrs. Darling to carry the heavy suitcase that was filled with the antiques, है ना, भरी हुई थी. तो पूछ ही लिया क्या ये दूर रहती है, does she lives far away. तब मदर ने कहा था कि she lives at Marconi Street number 46. Remember the address, and since then she did not forget the address. Got it better? Fine, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye. God bless you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.